children. How are you? How are you today? ¿Cómo están, children? How are you today? Okay, today we had our English class. Hoy día tuvimos nuestra clase. But this video is a review for all that es una revisión de todo lo que hemos visto today. Hoy día, ¿sí? Okay, let's start. Let's start our review. Vamos a comenzar con nuestra revisión de nuestra clase el día de hoy. Ok, we continue with Welcome to School. Vamos a continuar with Welcome to School, Unit 1. Ok. So, lesson 1 is my classroom. Ok, my classroom, salón de clase, my classroom. So, let's start to recognize objects. Vamos a empezar a reconocer los objetos. For example, what is that? ¿Qué es eso? So, that is a table. This is a table. Okay? Okay? This is a table. Okay? What is that? That's a table. Listen. This is a table. A backpack. Yes, a backpack. Look. This is my bike. This is my backpack. Yes, this is my backpack. Okay, my backpack. Okay. Backpack. Pencil case. Yes, this is my pencil case. What is that? That is pencil case. What is this? This is a pencil case. Look, this is my pencil case. My pencil case. A book. Yes, a book. What is that? That is a book. What is this? This is my book. This is my book. What is that? A chair. Yes, a chair. Okay. What is this? Stand up. I sit on my chair. I sit on my chair. What is that? That is a chair. What is that? That is a chair. Pencil. Yes, pencil. Look, my pencil. What is that? That is a pencil. What is this? This is my pencil. This is my pencil. Crayon. Crayon, what is that? Crayon. Crayon. What is this? It is my crayon. This is my crayon. My red crayon. So, we finished, ¿ok? Hemos visto todos los objetos que encontramos en un classroom, ¿ok? En un salón de clase. Ok, let's review, ¿ok? One more time. Vamos a revisar una vez más, ¿verdad? Table. What is that? That is a table. What is this? This is a table. What is that? That is a backpack. What is this? This is my backpack. This is my backpack. What is that? That is a pencil case. That is a pencil case. What is this? This is my pencil case. This is my pencil case. What is that? That is a book. That is a book. What is this? This is my book. This is my book. Look, what is that? That is a chair. What is that? That is a chair. What is this? I stand up and I sit down on my chair. Sit down on my chair. So what is that? That is a pencil. What is this? This is my pencil. This is my pencil. What is that? That is a pencil. This is my pencil. What is that? That is a crayon, a green crayon. What is this? This is my crayon. Okay, this is my crayon. This is my crayon. We finished to review the objects that you see in the classroom, ¿ok? Los objetos que encontramos o que vemos en un salón de clase. Now, let's start with our activity. Vamos a empezar con nuestra actividad de hoy, ¿ok? Todos tuvimos esta hojita y encontramos in this sheet table, backpack, and pencil case, ¿ok? Table, backpack, and pencil case. ¿Qué hicimos? Pues hicimos lo siguiente. Agarré mi hojita, la imprimí, ok, y comencé a pegar en la parte de aquí lo que me indicaba. En este caso, yo tenía de esta forma. Table, lo pegué a la misma altura del table, ¿de acuerdo? El backpack lo pegué a la misma altura del backpack. Y finalmente, this blue pencil case lo pegué a la misma altura del pink pencil case. Y me quedó de esta manera. Miren, mi trabajo lo terminé. Puse mi nombre, Paola, y ustedes también me presentaron su trabajo. Los que no han podido presentarlo, todavía lo pueden presentar. ¿Ok? Entonces, ¿qué hemos visto? Table, chair, backpack, book, pencil case, crayon, pencil. ¿De acuerdo? Okay, this is activity 2. Table, backpack, y pencil case. Okay, thank you very much. That's all for today. Okay, don't forget, no olvides watch a video, ver el video. And don't forget the class of Saturday, la clase del sábado. Okay, see you on Saturday. Goodbye.